Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trailer Day Win Ninja, and today we are going to be talking about this new craft that I just discovered. That I'm always late to the game when it comes to crafting, but I believe these have been out for about a year or so, or they were popular last year, but you know, I don't know where the time has gone. Anyways, this is a 5D rhinestone diamond keychain kit, and it's so cool. Like, I didn't even know. First of all, I didn't know that they made 5D diamond rhinestones. Like, they're not the plastic drills. These are literally rhinestones. They're so shiny, so sparkly. These are all the regular size ones that come in the kit. And these are the specialty gems that you can glue on for the specific project. So yeah, there's this one. There's a whole bunch of different cute shapes and sizes and colors. So cool. Anyways, I bought the fruit keychain one. I mean, like, who doesn't love fruit? Everything's just so cute. There's a watermelon. Let's see what else is in here. This literally came right now. So this, what is this? An orange? And they're two-sided. So there's like a plastic film that you peel off on each side and you put the rhinestones on. So yeah, and then they even come with a chain and like a lobster claw clasp. So there's the orange. Oh no, this is the orange. What's this? Oh, strawberry? I don't know, I can't see very well at the moment, but hopefully you can. Apple? I don't know. What is this? We'll figure it out later. Pineapple? I don't know, can't tell. Again, I have to remind you guys, I can't see color, so I'm literally going off the shape of the item. This is the apple, right? That looks like an apple shape. And this is a pear. I don't know what the other one was, but it's okay. Okay, so I think I'll start with the watermelon. I'm like into watermelon these days. I recently made this watermelon box. I'll either post a video on how I made this after this video, or it might already be up, and if it is, I'll put the card up here, the link, so you can just click on it. But yeah, it also comes with this little jewel tray and wax pad to put in a pen. You just stick the pen into the wax pad to pick up the gems. And yeah, and then these are the chains. It comes with little like ball chains and lobster claw clasp when you're done. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on this. The process will be very boring, so I'm not sure how much of it I will film, but probably none of it because I can't see. I have to zoom in like super close. It won't even be worth it for you to watch me do this. It'll take me too long. But let me just zoom in close so you can see that each spot is labeled with a number or a symbol. This one looks like all numbers. Oh no, and letters here. And then it's labeled on the package, if I can see. This one's huge. Where is it? There's like a little sticker somewhere. There we go. This one is D. So this jewel goes into this big one here. And it's so cool because once you lift off this plastic film, it's really sticky on the bottom. I just don't know where the film, can't see where it starts, but yeah. We'll get to that later. Can I get it? No. Did I get it? No. Okay. Anyways, look how cool. Look at this pattern. It looks so much fun. This is actually for kids. But, I mean, I think it can be for adults too. I figured it might be easier for me to do like little small ones, so it'll be easier on my eyes. Also, I don't have that much time to do like a full painting, even though I did really enjoy it, but I have a confession. I've never actually finished one. So yeah, I'm like, all right, let me try something smaller. So at least I can get like that satisfaction of fulfilling, like of successfully completing a project instead of just starting them and not finishing them. So yeah, okay, I'll be back when it's done and I'll see if it was worth it. Okay, I thought I'd show you, if you're new to this, how to prep your wax pen. So this is the pen. Where is it? Here we go. And it's just like a little hollow metal tip or plastic tip, and you just literally stick it. You lift, there's a little plastic sheet on top of this wax. People call it glue, but I'm pretty sure it's wax. and you just stick it in, and you can turn it or you can stick it, and then if you touch here, it's a little bit tacky, just enough to pick up the gems and then let them out. So it's not as sticky as the actual keychain, which is what makes it work so well, because the tack on this will hold onto the gem while this just helps you pick it up better. So yeah, alright, oops, hopefully that was in focus. Let's get started. I wanted to show you the actual rhinestone packets. It's really hard to see, but there's like a DC number and then a letter under here. So this letter underneath is what corresponds to the picture or your keychain. So this one's A, and look at these rhinestones. It's really hard to pick up how shiny and glittery the rhinestones are, but here's a little close-up, just a quick run through of the different colors. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, there's a lot of them here. So I'm looking for, I think I need A, I need an I, like look how faint this is, like can you even see that? I can't see. There we go. This one's A. This one is I. This is the one I'm looking for. Okay. Hey guys, so it's 2 days later, and I just wanted to show you, I'm still working on it. I'm so close to being finished. This is my last little section here, and I find it easier just to use my phone to zoom in like this, and then use my fingers and press it in. So that's, and then I just move it to where I want it to go. And that's how I've been doing this whole watermelon keychain. See, look, I'm almost done. But it's so cool, because for me it just takes way longer to try to use the pickup stick or tweezers. I tried, but these stones are actually, they seem to be a lot smaller than the diamond painting ones that I remember that I had before that I never finished. But yeah, so yeah, super like relaxing and peaceful, and it really like takes your mind off things at the same time, helps you focus on something. So when it comes to an edge, I like to kind of just push whatever I have into the edge, because it's easier for me to do that now rather than later. And then I'll put this in. So yeah, I figure instead of having you guys watch footage of me doing this forever, maybe just this last piece will be satisfying enough. Anyways, if you have never tried diamond painting or rhinestone painting or this type of craft, it's so relaxing, and it's actually, I think it's proven to take away anxiety or help with anxiety and depression, because it helps you like release endorphins and dopamine and things like that that give you like the happy feeling and of like when you successfully. Alright guys, it took me about a week and a half, but I finally finished all the fruit keychains. So let's just take a look. So here's the watermelon. This was probably like one of my favorites. I have them lined up in, I believe my favorites, if I remember, of how fun it was to do them. So this one I really liked, that they were like little smooth cabochons and a huge faceted rhinestone here. And then this was like just really simple with brick rose, and it was fun and easy. Then this pear was what was the reason why I even bought this whole kit in the first place. It's so pretty, like it's hard to describe because all of these seem to be kind of color shifting. Like these gems here, I don't know if it will focus. There we go, get really close. Like they kind of seem to color shift, or I don't know if it's just reflecting off certain things, but on certain angles they look like different colors. But yeah, isn't that so pretty? This one was really fun to do. Actually, they all were fun to do except probably the last one, the pomegranate. At least I think that's what it is. But I think it's just because I'm just getting tired. But yeah, anyways, look at this. This is the apple. And it has little seeds. and little like marquise, rhinestones. I think this one's color shifting too. It's so cool. Here, let me unzoom so you can just get the full picture. There we go. This is the apple. And this is the orange. It has little seeds too. And little mini micro cabochons, which is so cool. Yeah, they're super sparkly. Like, if I took them out in the sun, you could see how sparkly they are. Like, the camera never captures rhinestones correctly. But yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, this is the pomegranate. I mean, it has cool cabochons and the big faceted rhinestone here too. But yeah, I think I just don't like this design as much. It just doesn't look as cute compared to the rest. Maybe if it was bigger and rounder, it would look more like a pomegranate to me. But this just kind of looks like a squid, or like a heart, like a ton. Like, what am I trying to say? I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's early in the morning. I'm still drinking my coffee, but yeah, it hasn't hit yet. But yeah, it looks like a human heart. But I think it's a pomegranate. But yeah, there we go. This one I kind of messed up on too. Like, there's some spots where I don't know why, but the stones don't match. Like here, and then there's like a random red stone somewhere up here. I can't see it. Let's see. Let's zoom in. Yeah, like right here. But I was like, oh, it's too much trouble to try to pick it out at this point, so I'm just gonna leave it, since this is not